Thank you for watching the Audio Bros podcast. For more episodes, please like, share, and subscribe.
For the drums, since you guys are asking, so this was programmed in Superior, but I chose not to use as much of it. I just used the cymbals, or tried to just use the cymbals from it. So that's just grabbing the cymbals and, you know, the rooms. This is modern and massive. I haven't gone through. I've got to edit out these other cymbals. And that's Mixwave. That's the Duplantier drums. I'll turn this off so you guys can see the whole thing. Probably easier to see without me. And then this is the most this is the one that will make the least amount of sense, because you can hear those samples, right? Like those are one shots that I've been using that blend well with modern and massive and Mixwave. Those things combined. So when you hear that just gives like some body to it. And then this is the parallel compression. I know that's probably hard to hear because it's low, but if you're not using, like, man, Devil Lock. Hey, Rezo. Rezo, did you hear this song yet? If you don't have sound toys, man, Devil Lock is awesome for parallel drum compression. Not gonna lie. Let me mute the parallel compression. I think a lot of that is coming from the one shot. A lot of that is that one shot snare and kick. That snare has just a characteristic to it. Like, it sounds electronic as shit right there, but it's filling out that space. So like, it's got a more body to it, and the tail of it rings out more. And then in conjunction with the parallel compression on the drums, like if I mute the parallel compression, it brings it out a little bit more.
We hope you enjoyed listening to this week's episode. You can join us live every Friday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right here on YouTube. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.